Okay, what's going on YouTube? Today we're back with another video. Sorry that the uploads have been infrequent. A lot's been going on, so I'll try to fix that and put out more videos for you guys. But today we have the Jordan 3 unboxing. It'll be a short video. I got these in Thursday. They come with the sticker, right? The box is similar to the Lost and Found box and how it's kind of like rusted on the edges. It's called the Jordan 3 White Cement Reimagined. So I think that's how it's supposed to be. It's supposed to have like that Lost and Found look since it is like reimagined. Here it is. Simple colorway. Still very nice. Similar to the classic. Cream on the back, bottom. Nice. I think this shoe is super nice. It is my size, but I don't think I'm going to keep it. Nike was having a lot of issues with quality control. I don't know if you can kind of see right there, but none of my shoes actually have any issues, thank God. On Twitter, it was like a really big thing. People were getting shoes with no back Nike Air on it, or that it was just uneven. I don't know if you guys can see kind of the comparison, but thankfully, mine came with no imperfections, no issues, which is really good. And yeah, overall, really nice shoe. I think it's really sick. Resale is holding up really well in this, which is surprising because threes really don't have a good resale most of the time, but these ones right here are doing really well, so that's always really good. I'm actually on my way to sell these as soon as I'm done with this video, so that's pretty cool. Like I said, sorry for the lack of videos. Been going through a lot, and the videos probably won't pick up as much going forward recently, but I will promise you I'll try to fix that. Here's the box again. Overall, really nice shoe. 9.5. I fit both 9.5s and 10s, so just something cool. Yeah, I'm on my way to sell these. I paid, I think, $220 something, and I'm going to sell them for $270. So not a lot of profit, but profit still. I want to make a botting video on the Jordan 4 SBs, the Pine ones that are coming out. So make sure you guys look forward to that. And I should have this video out soon. So yeah, hope you guys like this. Stay tuned for more. Yeah, I'm going to try to put out as much videos as I can. So everybody like and subscribe, and yeah, stay tuned for more. Oh, in the last clip, I said that I was ending the video, but instead I went, I'm going to meet the guy right now to actually sell the Jordan 3s. I don't think I'll film the actual interaction, but the actual guy I'm meeting does have his own YouTube channel, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, I don't think I'll film the interaction, but I am going to sell him, and I think he's going to PayPal me probably, so I won't be able to show you guys the cash, but I will film after, so yeah. Okay, another update. So the last clip of the video they're probably going to see, I said I was going to film after. Totally forgot to film after. Didn't even edit after. It's actually like weeks later now that I'm filming this. So yeah, sorry for the late uploads. Just got super busy with personal things and trying to figure out what to do next. So yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, the video is going to be uploaded. It really doesn't matter. It was mostly just an unboxing video. But at the end, I did go sell the shoes. Yeah, sorry about that. Glitch happened. I did go sell the shoes. I was successful. Sold them for $270. I think profit was like $42, $43, something like that. I have more shoes now, so you guys are probably going to see this video first, and then you guys are going to see the Dunk Low Gardena video next. So stay tuned for more videos. Let me know what you guys want to see in the future. Like I said, more videos coming soon. So yeah, like and subscribe, guys.